what is poetry to you?
Poetry to me is something where like it's just a short piece of text which is like to represent some knowledge of this world or to sort of give you an idea of like a certain topic or certain thing.
Um, but then there can be long poems as well.
I mean,
Okay, so
usually
not
the short, right?
necessarily, yeah. So yeah, I've told you, right? Poems can be long as well. Until 11th, 12th standard, you generally get shorter poems. Okay. Uh, you could say poetry is basically something. It's a type of literature or type of text type that expresses, you know, emotions in an imaginative way and expresses experiences in an imaginative. Okay,
Yeah,
and it's meant to also. You have to always remember a poem is meant to be heard, not read.
correct.
Okay, so the flow of the words also has to be quite rhythmic.
But why can't it not be read? Because in the
No,
newspaper,
it can be read. I'm not telling it can't be read. Like you can read a play also, right? But what did we learn? A play is written to be performed, right? Similarly, a poem is meant to be heard by from somebody else. It's not something you should read out. That's how, like, that's the intent of the branch. Written work is novels. Simple. What you're meant to read is novels. Okay.